Hello everybody, this is BJ Nas from the Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines Student Edition HAU Champion. But for me, I call it my family because Engineer Gina Tulma, our mother dearest, Engineer Gerard Cortez, our Papa Bear, and we also have our brother, big brother, Engineer Padilla, and all the alumni still guiding us all throughout. But for now, let us enjoy this video we made. You all guys enjoy it.
Naaalala mo pa ba nung una kayong magkita?
Pangin ka pa kasi
Naniniwala ka ba sa love at first sight?
hindi.
Kaya at second sight? Pwede.
Alam mo, baka hindi ka na makauwi.
Bakit?
Eh kasi nasa isip na kita eh.
Alam mo kung bola ka, hindi kita kayang i-shoot.
Dahil lagi mo ako mamimiss.
I'm Apollo.
I'm Irene. Thank you Lord ha. Pandesal lang naman hinihingi ko sa inyo. Hamburger binigay nyo. May fries pa.
Naaalala mo pa ba nung nagkaka-developan na?
Mabaho.
Hindi nga. Amoy mo.
Naaalala mo pa ba nung kayo na? Eh siya,
Sino ka?
Ha?
My Amnesia Girl, directed by Kathy Garcia Molina.
Pasensya ka na kung di kita maalala.